Hi, in today's video I am gonna test your hearing ability. You need to have the volume at the same as you normally have. We start easy and then it gets harder and harder. I hope you can hear this, otherwise you have a very weak hearing ability. Interesting, now only 3 out of 4 can hear me. Only 50% can hear this. Like, subscribe and comment if you have good enough ears to hear this. Wow, you can still hear me. You have pretty good ears. Hi, if you can hear this. There are probably not very many who can. If you can hear this, you have a super good hearing ability. Comment super if you can hear this.